Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 335 of me making an app to end doom scrolling. What that means is that I'm trying to use an app on someone's phone, maybe yours, to actually help you do more of the things that matter to you and less of the things that don't. And this may be new, but it is not completely unheard of that you might not have something better to do than scroll on social media. And that's the problem I'm trying to help solve. Because underlying the time that you have spent, the hours you put into social media every day, your screen time, is not just the fact that these apps are addicting, it's the fact that you might not have something that you think is more worthwhile to do or enjoyable. And I don't think that's the case for any of us. I think there's way more enjoyable things we could do that are more fulfilling, worthwhile, and lasting and interesting. And they actually harness a more social connection in social media itself. So let's dive into the solution that I've put together, and I'll tell you how it's going, how it's went recently, and how it works. First of all, there's no limits, there's no blocking, there's no deleting apps. The whole point of Curiosity Quench, if you haven't been here before, is actually just to help you do things that you enjoy. And find things that you enjoy is the first step. So there's a list of 1,000 different things. You save a few things to your list, and then after that, you can actually do these things by getting a plan to do them. The way you get a plan on the app is to actually just swipe right. We see here we can swipe right for Japanese tea ceremony, and every single plan now has a complete plan, but also every step, pretty much every step of every plan has curated content to help you do it. And if you get stuck and that can help you, you can even click this help step right here to help you. And that's pretty much the entire app. Now, on its core face value, without me explaining it, it kind of seems underwhelming at times. Maybe it's just because I've been developing it for almost a year now, but I understand how this seems boring. It's not flashy pictures, flashy things, but I do want to add pictures to this section so it's a bit more interesting. And it's really just learning things you are interested in. The thing is, this app is only going to be useful for the people who take their genuine curiosity and apply it here to find something genuinely interesting and exciting. If you can find something that you're genuinely interested in learning more about, then you will be able to succeed on doing it because, or at least trying and doing it because you will have a plan, you will have content to consume to help you do the plan, and you will be able to take action on it through this means. After you've checked off all the steps, you then celebrate by either uploading a photo, taking some notes so you can look back on your progress later, and quenching it. That means just completing the plan. It's kind of confusing, I know. Should probably change that term. And that's the app. Lately, it has been going pretty good. The development, I have been focused on some other things that kind of are related to Curiosity Quench, but not directly. And a lot of my effort has been going into making content to get the word out about the app. And yesterday alone and the day before that, each day we had over 1,000 downloads, which is pretty insane. That is insane. We're almost at, I think we're above 50,000 users now, which is just mind blowing considering this app was only released back in February. And a year ago, it wasn't really even created yet. It's just insane. It is insane. A lot can happen in a year, and a lot can happen when I spend a lot less time on my phone and a lot more time doing things that were interesting, inspiring, fulfilling, and useful, meaningful. So that's all I wanted to say today. Short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I usually kind of just go over the same thing every day because not that much happens in the day to day. Like one day you may see some little things change, and over time a lot happens. Just a little 1% change every day adds up a lot. If you don't already know that, that's 37 times better. 1% every day over the course of a year if you compound. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I love you guys so much. Please take care. Please go touch some grass. And if you want to be reminded to touch grass or do these things and you're stuck on Instagram or TikTok, follow my accounts. I do post every single day on there to remind people to get off the app, to remind them to go outside, to remind them to do the things they love. So if that would help, then also you can do that as another use of helping you scroll less. But yeah, that's really it for today. Curiosity Quench is the name on TikTok and Instagram, and Jack Fricks is the name on those two. So please, though, if you can, you don't have to follow those at all right now. Just go and do something you're interested in doing, and have a great day. Okay. I love you. Keep going. Take care.